Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to enable the auto hold function and also the automatic parking brake function for a 2015 Audi A3. It should also work for any Audi A3 from the generation 8V from 2012 to 2020. Also for other MQB cars like the Golf 7. For this method you don't need the auto hold button at all. The car comes with all the necessary hardware to do auto hold for an infinite time, so no need for the button or any other optional extras. The only thing you will need is a VCDS cable to plug into the car, and a laptop, and a car, of course. So the first thing you need to do is, with the car on, go into module 03, ABS brakes, wait for it to load, and then you have to input a security code here. That security code will be 24990. Then you want to go into coding, this button right here, help for long coding, and then you have to find these bytes, 8, 19 and 23. Byte number 8 is this one right here, and you have to change bit 1. You have to enable it, so change it from a 0 to a 1. Bit number 1 starting from the right and starting at 0, so this is number 0, this is number 1, so a 1 here, and confirm with down arrow. Next one, by 19, we want to enable bit 6, so let's go find by 19, this one right here, and enable bit 6, counting from the right. Bit 6 is this one. By 23, bit 0. By 23, bit 0 is the rightmost one. Okay, so now you can close this window and click on do it. Now the car will throw some errors. No worry, we can fix it now. We go into Adaptation, function number 10, and search here for hold. We want to enable 3 things. First one is save auto hold or auto hold function or auto hold status, something like that. This will show disabled, so we want to go into enabled. Click on do it. Yes. Now it's enabled. Second one is auto hold function status or working status or something like that. Right now is last setting, and last setting means it remembers the last status it was from the last time you drove the car. But because you don't have the button, you will not be able to enable or disable it. So what you want to do here is turn it into always active. So every time you drive the car, it is active. Do it? Yes. The last thing you need to do is light control for the button. This is what causes the errors. The car is looking for a light in the button, like the one on the parking brake button. There is a light. So because there is no light here, it detects like the light is out or is broken, and it shows an error. So you want to disable the monitoring of the light. Delete the 7 and type a 0. Do it? Yes. Okay. So now your car should be all set. You can delete the errors by restarting it. There we go, no errors. Okay, so now if I put on my seatbelt, as soon as I start driving, I can stop, and then I will have the auto hold function working. You can see that my foot is not on the brake. Car is in reverse. We can go into neutral. It stays with the auto hold. Now, how does the automatic parking brake function work? Well, if you take off your seatbelt or turn off the car or open your door, the car will automatically go into parking brake, like this. That is very useful because if you park the car, the parking brake will be automatically applied every time. Alright, so I think that's all I have to explain. If you have any questions or anything, you can leave a comment. Adios.